Now we are on part 7 of our digital marketing journey, and let's continue talking about digital marketing for today's video. If our aim is to increase brand recognition, creating an infographic could be an excellent choice of content for our intended audience, based on a social media platform. It's crucial to investigate the competition and determine what strategies work for them. Social media platforms make it easy to conduct such research. For instance, you can visit your competitor's website and observe what kind of posts they're making and the level of engagement they receive from their audience. Before launching your social media campaign, it's important to conduct research on your competition. This includes analyzing their social media presence and content to see what works well for them. Additionally, conducting a social media audit can provide insights into past performance, highlighting what strategies have been successful and which ones have fallen short. The beauty of digital marketing is that metrics can be obtained instantly, providing real-time data to inform and adjust your marketing efforts. To ensure that your social media campaign is effective, it's important to conduct a thorough audit of your past posts and engagement metrics. This will allow you to determine what worked and what didn't, and use that information to inform your future content strategy. Additionally, it's important to carefully consider which social media channels or platforms to use for each piece of content. For example, a video may perform well on YouTube or Instagram, but may not be as effective on LinkedIn or Twitter. By aligning your content with the appropriate platform and developing a tailored strategy for each, you can maximize the impact of your social media efforts. Know that it's crucial to keep learning and taking inspiration from successful case studies and brands to continuously improve your social media marketing. Whether it's big or small companies, many are actively utilizing social media, so it's worth taking a look at what they're doing and the engagement they are generating. This information can provide valuable insights for your own social media strategy. Additionally, creating a social media content calendar is an essential part of the process. By planning your content in advance, you can ensure that your posts are aligned with your overall marketing goals and are tailored to your target audience. This also helps you stay organized and consistent with your posting schedule, which is crucial for building a strong online presence. When creating a social media plan, it's important to consider your goals and the type of content that will work best. After implementation, it's crucial to monitor and analyze your metrics to see what works and what doesn't. For example, if a video on Facebook is receiving a lot of engagement, it may be worthwhile to create a complementary video to continue that success. Here's a general illustration of a content calendar, which is typically in a spreadsheet format. Keep in mind that this is not a one-size-fits-all solution, but rather an example to help you understand the concept. If you're planning to write blog posts, you should first identify your target audience, such as a particular demographic or country. Then, you can pre-plan several topics in advance and make their status as either a draft or an idea. When it's ready to go live, you can set a publishing date and add comments as needed. Finally, you can create the content itself. What's so great about a content calendar is that it is an excellent tool for organizing your content creation process. With a content calendar, you can also incorporate SEO by assigning keywords and meta descriptions to each piece of content, which can help you optimize it for search engine rankings. Additionally, you can schedule and post your content to various social media platforms, making it an effective tool for both on-page and off-page SEO. By utilizing a spreadsheet such as Google Sheets, you can keep your content organized and aligned with your marketing strategy, allowing you to create content that resonates with your intended audience. It's important to keep in mind that there are various types of content that can be utilized for social media marketing. For example, video content can be uploaded to platforms like YouTube or LinkedIn, while images can be posted on Facebook. The key is to track and analyze engagement metrics to determine what content resonates best with your audience. Experimenting with different types of content is crucial in identifying which assets are most effective for your brand. It's important to check out the content of other companies, including competitors, to see what types of assets they are posting and what's resonating with their audience. There are plenty of social media marketing tools available, such as Buffer, Hootsuite, Sprinkler, Post Planner, Later, and Sprout Social. Like SEO, social media marketing requires a platform to work with. For example, we previously mentioned Umoz as an SEO platform, and now we will highlight Sprout Social as a social media marketing platform. When you have a schedule of content and many assets to manage across various channels, it's important to have a system for organization. The benefit of using a social media calendar is that you can plan and arrange your post, while also utilizing the listening capabilities of most social media platforms to monitor keywords, audiences, brands, and industry conversations related to a particular topic. Furthermore, most social media platforms offer reporting features to track and analyze the performance of your post. It's very vital to monitor the performance of your posts and assets on social media to gauge their engagement levels. This tool should assist you in arranging and publishing your content, monitoring conversations, and analyzing engagement data so that you can adjust your content approach accordingly. Sprout Social is a good example of such a tool. Another advantage of social media is the option to pay for your post to be promoted. For instance, on Facebook, you can create a paid campaign to reach your desired audience. As Facebook also owns Instagram, you can expand your reach to both platforms. To do this, you can use the Facebook Ads Manager and set up an account or campaign. When creating a social media campaign, it's important to have a clear objective in mind. This could be to increase brand awareness, drive traffic, or increase conversions. To achieve this objective, you need to go through a specific process. The first step is to choose your objective or goal for the campaign. When it comes to advertising on any platform, it's important to consider who your target audience is. With Facebook, for instance, you can narrow down your audience based on factors like age, gender, interest, and behavior. You can also choose specific ad placements and set a budget for your campaign. As for the types of ads you can create, there are several options available, including single image or video ads, as well as carousel ads that allow you to showcase multiple images or videos in a collage format. You have the ability to test call to action buttons with your ad as well. This means you can add a button to your ad such as learn more or sign up now to encourage people to take a specific action. This is just Facebook, and there's a lot of specific targeting that you can do with Facebook advertising. It's important to note that Facebook advertising is a cost per click model, so you pay each time someone clicks on your ad. However, this can be a great way to get your content out there in front of your intended audience if you're not getting enough organic reach. Alright, let's move on to the next topic, search engine marketing. This is an advertising approach that can help you to drive traffic to your website by paying for each click on your ad. This may seem like an uneven exchange, but the benefit is that you can advertise on platforms such as Google, Bing, or AdRoll, which have a wide network that includes Google. This means you can essentially buy your way to the top of search engine results. To elaborate, search engine marketing allows you to place your ads at the top of search engine result pages, giving your website high visibility and increasing the likelihood that all users will click on your ad and visit your site. This is especially useful for targeting specific keywords related to your business. For instance, if you sell shoes, you can bid on the keyword shoes and have your ad appear at the top of search results when someone searches for that term. You only pay when someone clicks on your ad, making it a cost-effective advertising model. You can choose from a variety of ad formats, including text, images, and videos to increase your ad's visibility and attract more clicks. However, you need to pay for these ads to appear in prominent position. As I mentioned earlier, Facebook allows you to create ads that target your intended audience and pay Facebook in return for this service. In search engine marketing, you can choose a list of keywords relevant to your brand or what you offer, and bid on them to appear at the top of search engine rankings. This can be done on various platforms, including Google, Bing, LinkedIn, and Twitter. Once you have a relevant list of keywords, you can align them with a headline to create your ad. This way, when someone searches for one of your chosen keywords, your ad will appear at the top of the search results. It's crucial to define the objective of your campaign when setting it up, as it will help you choose relevant keywords and write effective ads. You can then measure the success of your campaign based on these goals. Additionally, it's important to monitor campaign results regardless of the platform you advertise on, and with Google, you can even import conversions to track your success. To give an example, let's say I'm using Google Ads and I want to run campaigns to get donations. So, I go to the Tools section and look at my running campaigns. It's important to establish what I want to achieve with these campaigns, which in this case is getting people to click on donations. To measure the effectiveness of my campaigns, I can go to conversions and see what my conversions are being added to my account. If I don't see a conversion that's relevant to my goal, I can create one or import it from Google Analytics. It's crucial to be able to measure the success of your campaigns against conversions and optimize them if they're not performing well. Running campaigns that aren't generating conversions is a waste of money, so it's important to keep an eye on them and make the changes as needed. And that ends a part of our discussion about digital marketing. I hope you learned something from today's video. If you like it, please subscribe and click the like button. Also, turn on the notification bell to be notified of future videos like this. Have a great day ahead and stay tuned for part 8.